Hi, I'm Christian and welcome to the warehouse. I like to work here recently because it's an open space area and there is a rice field behind the warehouse. Yeah, fresh air. I spend approximately 30 minutes until 40 minutes here to eat my breakfast, reading some articles to keep me up with the trends. Lining up the products like this makes me keep up to which products are still relevant to the trends. Besides that, I can touch the texture, I can see the materials directly, then I can feel it. Let's go inside. The good thing about a house for me is where everyone can enjoy their time together. I like the interior in warm and natural color. Sometimes I think a lot of modern houses, they look great but not warm enough to make you want to sit down. For me, I like when the design can invite us to come and relax. That's home for me. I also like to be in the second floor. Let's go inside. Besides the wall color, the arrangement space like this can stimulate my creativity. The other good thing is I can see the entire warehouse from up here.